Yo, what is up, guys? We're back here for another episode, and we're gonna be saltwater fishing today with our captain, like always. And
Mangrove snapper.
Let's go. Alright, we'll see ya. We think it's a sheepshead.
It is a sheepshead, guys. I don't know, it's in the truck. That's in the truck. Oh.
That's a sheepshead. Oh, yeah, it is. That's a fat sheepshead.
Let me get in that. Can't be wrong. Yo, sheepshead, guys. Yo, guys, look at me, guys. Hooks up over here on the sheepshead.
Let's go, baby. That's one for today.
Good dinner right here, yo.
We're gonna be doing a catch and cook. Don't worry. I can just lift it up.
No, don't lift it, yo. Is it
He's hooked so good.
Flipper die, baby. Flipper die.
That's a, oh my god.
Flipper die, baby. Flip or die, baby.
We got it.
Flipper die, baby. Flipper die.
Let's go, man.
Holy crap.
We're taking that for dinner.
Biggest sheepshead I ever seen in my life. Biggest sheepshead I ever seen in my life.
Yeah, that's way bigger than
Be quiet, man.
Virginia. That's like a 4
Yeah,
pounder.
put them in the cooler.
You guys got the grippers?
Oh,
Yeah.
they're in my bag.
Alright, we're
Over here, new
saltwater
spot.
adventure, man.
He just caught a little dink snook.
A baby snook. Let's
A
get
baby snook.
Adventures with Dink and Dink.
Hurry up, bruh.
You locked my truck, right?
Yep.
Alright, here we go. Baby snook.
Look at that little thing.
For the release, I gotta go.
Like so. Then you want to follow
Oh.
right along the top. Right to the back.
Yeah.
And then come back.
And follow the backbone.
Follow it right above the bones.
Don't do that.
Big sausage finger, guys.
Excuse me? Okay.
This guy does not know this
Excuse me? Look at that. Look at that. See that?
No, not really bloody at all, guys.
Nope. Because we put it on ice.
We don't bleed the
If you
fish.
put your fish on ice, and when you go to fillet them, you don't have blood everywhere, and makes it easier.
Oh, he's sawing. He's doing the sawing motion.
Look at that.
That's enough.
So this is the part that,
Oh, sawing
Just-
motion.
no, it's, the camera just doesn't do it justice. It's one even stroke of the old fillet knife. We're just taking the skin off. We're gonna have some Napa nuggets. Boom. See that? So this is by the rib cage.
Oh, I'm not videotaping good. Sorry, y'all.
Want to stay away from them bones. That's what we want to do. Cause all that's bones, bones. That's the stomach.
Whoa, sawing motion, guys.
My knife is a little dull, so
Oh, I'm not recording again.
whoa, almost got my dog. Take the skin off of this boy.
He's only gonna have like 2 inches of fish left.
If you push down and you just wiggle while you're pushing down, you actually just get right through it.
So today we're back in the kitchen, guys. Chef Lou here, and we're making our fish tacos here. This is gonna be our sauce for the tacos.
We got the sour cream, mayonnaise, lime juice, garlic powder, and sriracha. So, half cup sour cream. Half cup sour cream. A third cup of mayonnaise. Two tablespoons of lime juice. And one teaspoon of garlic powder. And then
Sriracha to your liking.
1 teaspoon of, we're doing 1 teaspoon of sriracha. You can put more if you like it more spicy, or less if you don't like it spicy. And then you just mix it all up. Sorry guys.
Yummy.
This is the sauce for the fish tacos right here. Alright guys, the taco sauce is in the fridge chilling, and we're going to be making the slaw now. Captain Matt Rick is going to be mixing it up.
A little bit of mayonnaise, sour cream, a bit of lime juice, some apple cider vinegar, just a splash.
Then we got the cilantro right here.
Where's it at?
I think there's enough.
Some salt and pepper. Mix it up.
Mix it all up.
And we'll let this chill for a little bit too. And we'll be back to fry it up.
Alright, see y'all then.
Alright guys, so here's our fillets. We have the sheepshead and the 2 snapper fillets, and I'm going to be seasoning them up right now. So what I'm going to be using is Everglades. Shout out to Deer Meat for dinner. Alright. You want to do it? Oh yeah, make sure your fillets are patted dry, okay? We're going to be blackening these guys. We got some Lawry's garlic salt right here. And some black pepper. And now they're ready for the grill. Let's go. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna be blackening the fish. Come closer, bro.
Alright.
Zoom into this. We got both fillets going in. Little snappers.
A little snapper in there.
This time. Thanks. Alright, so we're gonna do like maybe 2 minutes on each side. The snapper might be like a minute and a half, but yeah.
Let's see, guys. Chef Lou right here.
Chef Lou.
Chef Lou, guys.
Hard to
Guys,
flip.
we're flipping this sheepshead right here.
It's gonna be hard to flip.
Chef Lou is having a little bit of trouble.
There you go. It's gonna be a piece of something.
The next piece of sheepshead right here.
Not bad.
And now we have the
These are done.
mangrove jack.
We just want to put color on it. We want to let it blacken more.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Like that.
That's the mangrove jack. Now, we'll see you guys when it's done. Put the sheephead in the container.
I'm gonna keep this piece.
Alright.
This piece.
Yo, so guys, we're cooking our bait that we used that night for dinner. We're gonna try to see how it tastes. We use live shrimp, so here are the shrimp, guys. We just season them up, and we're gonna boil them.
Old Bay.
Some Old Bay, and yeah, we'll see ya. Our tacos.
We got the fish taco sauce right here.
We got Chef Rick cutting up.
Spread it on like a paste. Like a
Alright, man.
paste.
You doing the most.
Alright. Now we take our slaw. You guys see the slaw right here?
What type of taco building is this?
We got our slaw.
What are you making, a veggie taco?
This kid, man.
Alright.
Alright. Now, we come right over here. We get our sheep's head right here. Our sheephead. Sheephead.
It's a fish.
A little more.
Alright.
Alright.
Now,
Get some cheese.
now I think I'm gonna put some lemon on this thing.
Oh, yeah.
No cheese?
Cheese at the end. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Some lemon.
Dang, bro. Oh my god.
Is that a lot too much lemon?
You'll see.
Alright. Some cheese, guys. Right here. We got the cheese right here. Alright. And now, guys, we're gonna try the taco.
How is that, bro? Well, what's happening here? Here goes for the review, guys. Mmm.
How does it say?
That's good, guys. It's good. Make sure you guys subscribe, drop a like. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we out.